The Samsung 55-inch class OLED is about to revolutionize your home theater experience like never before. Imagine sitting in front of a screen that's so sharp, so vibrant, and so lifelike you'll forget you're even watching TV. That's exactly what this incredible 55-inch OLED TV promises to deliver. An immersive viewing experience that will transport you to new worlds and make you feel like you're right in the action. But it's not just about the visuals. This TV is also a powerhouse of performance, with a range of features that will take your entertainment to the next level. Let's dive in and explore what makes it so special. First up, we have OLED HDR+ with glare-free technology. This means that you can enjoy incredible brightness and deep contrast on your screen, without any distracting reflections or glare getting in the way. It's like having a crystal-clear window into another world, right in front of your eyes. But what does this really mean for you? In simple terms, it means that you'll get to see even more vivid colors, deeper blacks, and a much more immersive viewing experience overall. And with glare-free technology, you can enjoy this amazing picture quality without any of the distractions that usually come with glare or reflections. Next up, we have the NQ4 AI Gen3 processor. This is where things get really interesting, with 128 neural networks working together to deliver an exceptional 4K experience for streaming, gaming, live sports, you name it. This TV is a game changer. Imagine being able to stream your favorite shows in stunning 4K quality, with picture and sound that's so sharp and clear, it's like having the shows right in front of you. But what makes this processor really special? It's not just about delivering good pictures. It's also about delivering seamless gaming performance. With features like Motion Accelerator 165Hz and NVIDIA GSYNC, or AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, this TV is designed to provide ultra-smooth gameplay with real-time responsiveness. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just someone who loves the thrill of competition, this TV has got you covered. Another feature that's worth highlighting is the 4K AI Upscaling Pro. This means that even if your content isn't naturally in 4K resolution, it will be upscaled to match the TV's incredible 4K picture quality. Imagine watching an old movie or show and seeing it transformed into a beautiful, crystal-clear 4K experience. It's truly magic. And then there's the AI Motion Enhancer Pro, which works its magic on fast-moving scenes like sports or action movies. This means that you'll get to see smoother motion with less blur and flicker, so you can fully immerse yourself in the action. Finally, we have Auto HDR remastering. This feature is all about taking non-HDR content and transforming it into an amazing HDR experience. Imagine watching a classic movie or show that's been remastered in stunning HDR quality. It's like experiencing something new and exciting all over again. So what does this mean for you? It means that you'll get to enjoy a wider range of content, with more vivid colors, deeper blacks, and a much more immersive viewing experience overall. And with the Samsung 55-inch class OLED, you can trust that you're getting the best picture quality possible every time. So are you ready to take your home theater experience to the next level? The Samsung 55-inch class OLED is available now. Click the link below to get yours and discover a whole new world of entertainment.